I know I shouldn't be showing this person's license plate, but look, that is a real JDM Honda. Okay, I don't know how more JDM you can get. Good morning, my DC Nations. How the are you doing on this Monday? We are doing pretty good. I feel a heck of a lot better. And look what we have. We have the booger baby. Yeah!
Get this out.
Booger baby, booger baby, booger baby, booger baby. Boom, boom, boom. Booger baby.
His little smile.
What are you doing?
Resting.
It's freaking hot. We're taking a little
Booger! It's so freaking hot.
Yeah! Booger. You always know how to smile for the camera. Yes, we're taking him for a walk today, and it's been a while since we've taken him for a walk.
And we weren't too prepared. As you can see, we're wearing jeans, and I'm wearing flip-flops.
And I'm wearing skater shoes, so this is not good. And he's wearing no shoes.
He just took his shoes off.
Took his little baby shoes off. Where are the baby shoes? Shoes. So yes, as you can tell, I am sweating like no tomorrow. And yeah, and it's hot. It's hot! So, yeah. This movie rolls. The chin. Got me in the chin, big head. You're all head, you know it, right? Booty bump, booty bump, booty bump, booty bump.
You dancing.
How many of y'all have seen this movie, Beetlejuice? I loved it as a kid. My favorite cartoon, Tim Burton rules. So,
what happened? Somebody got upset because Uncle Joseph stopped dancing with them.
Uncle Joseph, I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna pass out.
He's like, but I'm not tired. Oh. And somebody just fell between the sofa.
The hell are you looking at? This show fucking rules just like the movie does. You disagree, you can lick a butt.
Okay, so we're watching an awesome movie, and the other day, was it yesterday?
Yeah, it was last night actually.
Last night we watched, was it the newest one? Or
maybe. It
was either the newest one or...
Hey, Mr. Rudeness, you're trying to vlog here. Thank you.
Either the newest one or the one before the newest one of Losing All Sanity's vlogs.
Check them out. Links in the fanny pack. Unzip it, double click, and you know the rest.
And they were listening to a soundboard on the Android, because Android's awesome. And what? Oh, okay, so this is the movie.
Q, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories, where everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky.
All right, Tommy, you're the oldest. I'm counting on you. Come on.
She's got eyes of the bluest skies, as if they thought of rain. I hate to look into those eyes and see it now.
Nice vibrato, buddy. All right, Alice, let's go. Flat. So flat. I didn't even know. You don't even look good while you're singing. The worst thing I've ever heard. This is $1,200 a week for voice lessons, and this is what I get? Okay, I'm going to save it with the solo.
Bow, bow, one day, and I can sing high like this, and I can sing high.
Jesus!
moving!
Guys,
Son of a
we're
bitch.
sitting here. We're sitting here minding our own business. Oh, sorry. I was doing something on YouTube. Just playing Call of Poop as usual. Well, not really, because we really haven't played, but the weather here has been kind of bad, and I'm getting kind of concerned now because the sky is kind of... It doesn't look bad.
Ah!
Here,
Okay,
I'm going to put shoes on.
I'm not. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! I'm gonna leave without you. I'm gone. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Vámonos, woman. Let's see outside. Did you leave? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna check. Holy crap! I don't know if y'all can see that, but holy shit! Oh wow, it's strange already. Badass to have a deck, right? Look at this waterfall we got. Let's go, screw this.